explain the waves in 2 and 3 dimensional spaces. So 2D and 3D. So we have these waves, and for example, 2-dimension waves could be the water waves in 2D, and the 3D waves would be light, for example. And the mathematical equations for this description, well, first we have certain types of waves. First, we will describe spherical. And the spherical waves are determined by the following equation. The relationship between the radius, the time, r sine, and we will have the same equation, but in relationship with the radius. This is important that this has a not constant amplitude. Okay, so this, for example, happens when we have the light bulb and these waves, the way that the waves travel. This is the equation that describes that motion. Then we're gonna have also the waves in water. Okay, so this is gonna be united with this one, and that's the way it will spread. So we will have this axis, this one, and this one. That is all a 3D. We will have here the x and y axis. We have here x, and we have here y. And the mathematical expression that we describe in motion will be r times, and see that is a constant sign, and we will have the same here. So let's not repeat it. We will also explain plane waves. Plane waves are the type of waves that we receive from the sun. So we have these planes, and the waves will move this way. So we will have the wave, and this is the way in which the light from the sun comes to the earth. And we are only going to mention quickly that this relationship would be r times is equal to a, is the same a, but it's not related with r. The only difference here, that's a sine, and all of this also. Okay, and the last thing about this type of waves will be there exist also surface waves. For example, when it's tsunami, and these are described by the next formula: square root of the gravity times the depth in which the seismic wave in the tsunami occurs. Then also seismic waves. And for seismic waves, we will have that there are two types of waves. We have the compression wave, that is called the primary wave, and the transverse wave, that is called the secondary wave.